Also have another question. Is there a way to extract from the real estate agent the other offer amounts, or if there is other offers on the table higher than my offer? I've asked the agent multiple times, but he said that he can't disclose the other amounts legally. How should I position my offer in this scenario so that I do not miss out on a deal that has a short amount of money, or short amount of time, I guess? Look, technically the agent can't disclose other offers, but there's ways, I guess, of getting the information that you require. So it is about building a relationship with them. It is about, asking what will get the deal done. So, phrasing that in a certain way where you're not losing leverage. You know what the property's worth. You've done your comparable analysis. You've potentially even pre-framed the negotiation with the agent. You've done a good job of, not revealing to the agent your cards, what your budget is, what your pay, your financing or, ability to pay is. For me though, you've got to get to the heart of it. You have to know where you stand, right? So for me, my strongest negotiation technique that served me well throughout my life is time. Time is information. Time allows you to see what is on the table. Unfortunately, at the moment, in many negotiations, we don't have the luxury of time. We can't bleed out other parties or the sales agent, the vendor. We can't wait a few weeks before we'd even call them to begin with. And it's more difficult to gauge whether there legitimately is other offers on the table. So you can ask questions like, I would be wanting to move before the weekend. I want to move forward with a strong offer. And I'm not going to put it forth if it's not going to be accepted, giving time frames around those offers. But it really, I guess probably just to summarise, coming down to that agent relationship and feeling like, is their bullshit meter going off, right? So they can't say there are other offers. And so the question here, they can't say there are other written offers if there are none, right? That is illegal. They can't disclose the offers to you, but they can't lie. Right? So you have that and you know that when they are saying there are other offers, you ask, are they written offers? Are they formal written offers? If they say no, they're just someone just given a bit of a verbal commitment at this stage there, sir, then you're losing a lot of trust from them. But if they are saying there are other written offers, then there's no point you putting an offer in that is not going to beat it. So you can use the fact that they have said, yes, there are other written offers as a litmus test. Now you can start positioning your conversation with them because they're not going to accept another offer with the same terms if it is not going to win. If there's no point in wasting anyone's time, they want to maintain a good relationship with you and potentially show you the property around the corner. So hopefully with that in mind, that gives you some insight around how you can build that conversation with the sales agent and build that relationship with them where you don't necessarily need to trust them. Remember, they're not working for you. They're definitely not working for you, and they never will be, even if they say you're the best mate and I'm looking after you, all of these things. When they say that to you, run a mile, or at least not run a mile, but definitely put some red flags up and know that you can't trust them, because when they say, trust me, don't. It's the opposite.